Notion versus Airtable for freelance CRM. Which is better? In this video, I'll break down both tools in a practical, no-fluff way. And as always, you'll find links to both platforms in the description below so you can test them yourself. Let's start with the core difference. Notion is an all-in-one workspace, while Airtable is a database-first tool. That distinction matters a lot for freelancers building a CRM. Notion gives you flexibility. You can create a CRM inside your workspace, alongside notes, tasks, proposals, and client documentation. You can build pipelines using boards, track contacts, manage projects, and even handle invoices all in one place. This makes it perfect for freelancers who want a simple, unified system without jumping between tools. Many users actually build full client management systems in Notion, with lead tracking, projects, and payments in one setup, which shows how flexible it is. However, Notion's CRM capabilities are relatively basic. It lacks advanced automation, email tracking, and deep sales features, and often relies on third-party integrations for anything complex. On the other hand, Airtable is much more structured and powerful when it comes to data. It works like a spreadsheet database hybrid, where you can build highly organized pipelines, link records, and create custom views like Kanban boards, calendars, and dashboards. It also has stronger native automations and integrations, making it better for workflows like lead capture, follow-ups, and syncing data across tools. In fact, Airtable is generally considered more powerful for handling structured data and automations, while Notion focuses on flexibility and collaboration. For freelancers who treat their CRM as a serious sales system with automation, Airtable has the edge. But there's a trade-off. Airtable is less intuitive for content and documentation, and you'll likely need other tools for notes or project management. So, who should choose what? If you're a solo freelancer, consultant, or creative who wants a lightweight, customizable CRM combined with your entire business workflow, Notion is the better choice. It keeps everything simple and centralized. But if you're running a more data-driven freelance business, managing many leads, or need automation and scalability, Airtable is the stronger option. Bottom line, Notion is best for simplicity and flexibility. Airtable is best for structure and automation. Choose based on how complex your sales process really is.